Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jay in Missouri on his Connex CX-4300hp. Jay's brand new 4300hp has now been truckerized. Sent it to me, brand new unit, never out of the box, nothing done. We did the conversion, went through, did alignment, did our tune to it, and she's ready to go. Now, you did mention in a note that you would never be running an amplifier with this, so we set the RF power up accordingly. RF power all the way down. I'm going to show you 25 watt slug here, reading the top scale. About 7.5 watts. Spin it all the way up. 20 watts, 2022. And I'm going to show you average power here. Low audio. Pegs a 25 watt scale. Going to go to the 2x multiplier. Now we're reading the 50 watt scale. Hello, 11111. About 27, 28 watts average. Then we're going to have to pull the 25 watt slug out. We're going to go to the 100 watt slug. 1x position. We're going to go and show you average power again. Hello, 111. That's about 35 watts average power. Let's go do some peak numbers. Low audio. Hello audio. That's 85 PEP. Oh, shouldn't say PEP. 85 peak watts and 35 bird. Jay, it's ready to come to you, man. You can run this thing wide open. If you want a little more swing, you can turn it down a little bit. But even with the wide open, keying 25 watts, you still have 10 watts of forward swing and average power. So I always like to have a little bit of forward swing and average as well. Jay, enjoy it. I thank you for sending it to me. Let me take care of it for you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.